welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. Yes, I'm doing my brows for y'all. This video was highly requested, so I decided to get on here, share with you guys really quick how I do my brows. But just a disclaimer, my brows are not done. I need them done ASAP. I actually have an appointment this weekend to get them done. But I wanted to get on here and share with you guys how to do your brows even though they are not done. You can still slay your brows even though they are not done. So that's what I want here to share with you guys. I feel like I slayed my brows even though they're not done. Anyway, if you guys are interested in the tutorial, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, please stop, subscribe, and put on your post notification bells so y'all are notified every time I do an upload. And let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, excuse my appearance. I'm actually about to get some clothes on. I just took a shower, whatever. Anyway, okay, so we're gonna do this eyebrow tutorial for you guys. I'll list all the items in the description bar down below. I'm gonna tell you step by step what I'm using and why I'm using it and all that good old stuff. So first we are going to take e.l.f. spoolie. It looks like this. And we are going to comb the eyebrows in the direction that we want them to go. And we're just going to brush eyebrows. Don't come for my eyebrows. I know I need them done. I'm actually going this weekend, but I figured I'll film this video on rough looking eyebrows to show you guys that you can still work with, or you can still get results from your eyebrows even though they're not done. Okay, so we're going to comb them in the direction that I want them to go. And sometimes I'll do this step first, sometimes I'll do a second. Who knows? Who cares? Next, I'm going to go in with my airspun powder and I'm going to set my brows. There's a reason why I set my brows, and that's because half the time I do use Anastasia's Dipbrow, and it can be rather loose. Like it can be very, I don't want to say watery, but it almost feels a little watery when you first buy it. It stiffens up over time. And right now I have a new one, and I'm going to set the brows because I don't want the pomade to run. I want it to go exactly where I put it. So I'm going to set that lightly with some airspun powder, as so. And I'm just taking a Wet n Wild brush to do that. Just a fluffy Wet n Wild brush. Then I am going to go back in with the spoolie. Now, I'm going to be using the Dipbrow by Anastasia Beverly, and it's in the shade Auburn. And I used to get chocolate, but this one has like a red undertone. I kind of like this one better on my skin complexion. So this is what I'm working with today. And then we're going to take this angle brush by Wet n Wild. I think it was $1 as well, and it looks like this. So it's a little angle brush. It's dirty right now. Well, I cleaned it, but it's dirty too at the same time. So we're gonna take a little bit of the pomade. Now you can do this with a pencil or you can do this with pomade. It's your preference. For the most part, I do use the Dipbrow more than I use a pencil. I kind of like go back and forth. I go between the two. So anyway, I'm gonna get some on my brush on both sides of the brush, and then I like to dip the brush in it as well. Okay, as so. Now, I'm just going to trace the eyebrows, okay? So I'm gonna start right here. Now, if you all notice, I have two different eyebrows. They are not shaved the same. They don't look the same, but we're gonna try to make them sisters. They're not gonna be twins, but we're gonna try to get them as close as possible, okay? So we're gonna take this angle brush, and we are going to outline the brow in the direction that you want it to go. And I'm the type of person, if I mess up, I got concealer that'll fix it. You know what I'm talking about? Like, concealer is your best friend. So, like I said, we're gonna trace. And I'm gonna go up top and trace the top as well. Now it's up to you. You can go light. You see, I'm not liking how thick that is. So we gonna start over on that part right there. We gonna just even that out some. So it's up to you how thick, how thin, what shape, all of that. Everybody doesn't have the same shape. Everybody doesn't have the same brows. Anyway, so once I get the shape that I want, I begin to fill them in a little bit with the side of this brush, okay, as so. Now, as y'all can see, they look a little bit thick for me. I don't normally wear my brows this thick, but we're gonna fix that, okay? We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Only reason why I did this brow like that is because if you notice, this one has a longer line here and then it goes up. If y'all can tell, it's shorter and then it goes up. So I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it, okay, y'all? If you don't want them this thick, you can always thin them out. That's what concealer is for, us to correct, all right? So, go back in. Make sure your wing, your tail, whatever you want to call it, it's the length that you want, the shape that you want. For the most part, I think we are done with this one. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer. Now you guys don't come for me with my concealer because I could have swore I picked up the darker shade, but it is a lighter shade. But I'll show you guys how to fix it at the end. So it is gonna look lighter than usual around my eyebrows, but I'm gonna fix it, okay? So I ain't trying to go out here looking crazy. Anyway, so we're gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40, which is caramel, okay? We're gonna start at the base of the eyebrow right here, real light, okay? That's so. See how light that is? I don't like that. Then we're gonna go up top. I can see I messed up, but we're gonna fix it, we're gonna fix it, we're gonna fix it. Okay. Now I'm going in with this fluffy brush by Real Techniques. It's called Deluxe Crease Brush. I'm gonna take that and I am going to blend out concealer. Actually, I'm gonna start on the top. And as you all can see, some people do darker at the top, light at the bottom. I use whatever. I can always fix it, which is just an extra step. It's not gonna kill me. I actually just started putting this brush into my routine. I used to just use my finger. I'm not even gonna lie. Can see that's how the brow is looking. Okay, then I like to go in with the LA Colors brow tint in the color brown. It looks like this. I get this from my local dollar store, and the brush is this little tiny little brush, and I'm just gonna do like little small strokes on the brow to bring a little color. I like to brush the beginning of the brow upward like this, and then I like to go like that, okay? Making sure I'm not grabbing too much product. Now, as you guys can see, it's still a little light around the top. So what I'm going to do is go in with one of my foundations, which is, I'm going with a foundation to even out some of that color, which is going to be my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It fits me perfectly. It's in the shade 355. It's the matte and poreless one, okay? So I'm going to go up top with this tiny brush from Real Techniques. I'm not sure what the name of this brush is. It's called the accent brush. So I'm going in with the accent brush by Real Techniques. I'm going to lightly go over top part of the brow, just to bring a little color back, okay? You mess up, pick it back up and try again, okay? I think we good, y'all. Sometimes I break it, put it under the eye just a little bit. Then I use my finger to blend it out a little bit. And that's brow one, y'all. That's brow one. That's brow one. Can y'all see that? Cute, cute, and cute. We're gonna move on to the second brow, okay? Alright, this is going to conclude my eyebrow tutorial. If you all enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.